Making physics notes for class 12 can be a bit tricky, but with the right techniques, it can definitely be done. There are some steps that you can follow to make effective physics notes. Number 1. Read the textbook thoroughly. Before starting to make your notes, read the textbook thoroughly to ensure that you have a good understanding of all the concepts. Number 2. Identify the important topics. While reading the textbook, identify the important topics that you should focus on. You can do this by looking at the table of contents, headings, and subheadings. Number 3. Highlight the key points. As you read the textbook, highlight the key points and make notes of important facts and formulas. Number 4. Organize your notes. After highlighting the key points, organize your notes in a structured way. You can use bullet points, diagrams, and flowcharts to make your notes more visually appealing and easier to understand. Number 5. Practice solving problems. Physics is a subject that requires practice, so make sure that you practice solving problems along with making your notes. This will help you to understand the concepts better and remember them for longer. Number 6. Revise regularly. Finally, make sure that you revise your notes regularly. This will help you to retain the information better and ensure that you are well prepared for your exams. By following these steps, you should be able to make effective physics notes for class 12. Good luck!